today, what are we going to do today? Well, today we're going to finish up our blueberry oatmeal whiskey. Okay, so what we've done, we've aged it. Alright, it's a beautiful color, huh? It tastes pretty darn good too. But, now it's time to add some of the more blueberry flavor. And what I'm going to use, this is some from this company here, Toriani, yeah, that. And we're going to add some of this syrup to the whiskey. Now, I'm not quite sure how much to use, so we're going to try, this is going to be a little bit of an experiment. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So I got, hey, if you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. And this is, subscribers is how we keep bringing this content out to you. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, like I said before, I really don't know how much to use, so we're just going to do, let me get this out of the way. We're going to do a little experimenting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1,000 milliliters into this mixing bowl here. 1,000, we want 1,000 round number. Keep numbers round to keep them simple. Okay, so there's 1,000. Alright. Let's go with 100 first. Oh, that smells so good. So we're going to start with 100, which I don't really think it's going to be enough. But let's go with 100 first and see what it's going to taste like. Really changed the color a lot. Let me get something to taste with. Yeah, nowhere near enough. I'm going to go to another 100. So I make it 200 so far if I get the right. There we go. Because I want this, what I'm doing is I'm only doing half of it flavored in the blueberry. And the rest of it's going to stay just aged. But I was looking for something to make, you know, a drink out of. All right. Okay, that's pretty good. Ooh, that is really good. It's got a lot of blueberry flavor to it with a kick. Woo! But I do think that 50 more. So that'd be 250. So 250. That's it right there. So 1,000 milliliters of the blueberry oatmeal whiskey and 250 of the blueberry syrup. It tastes, it still tastes like whiskey with a blueberry kick to it. I mean, real smooth and silky. I really like that. Okay. So, I'm going to make us a drink. I'll be right back. Okay, so now time for a cocktail.
Okie dokie.
Alright, so we're going to make 2 drinks. So of the blueberry oatmeal whiskey, we decided to go with 6 ounces, right? Yes. For two drinks, 6 ounces of that. Put it in a shaker. Kind of a weird color though. And then we're going to add 4 ounces of half and half. This is our blueberry oatmeal whiskey milkshake.
Milkshake, okay.
And 4 ounces of this. All right. Pour that in there. Give her a nice shake. All right. Some of this stuff out of the way. I got a mess here on the table.
You do.
It's kind of a neat color, like nice and purple blueberry color.
Ready?
Yep, put a little whipped cream on there for us. And we got a garnish with blueberries. Now we get to give it a try.
Yes, indeed.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
that could get you in trouble.
It sure could.
I mean, it's got a lot of blueberry flavor to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a lot of, it's real silky tasting.
It's very silky. Mm.
That would be a good cocktail. I think that would go over very well. Mm. Okay.
Yeah, it turned out better than I thought.
Well, I sure do thank you come having a drink with me.
Thank you for twisting my arm.
Yeah, right. So this series has been a lot of fun, and I'm gonna group all the blueberry series all together to a playlist, so you maybe watch it from the beginning if you want, all the way to the end. So please check it out. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Ooh, I'd like to have another one.
Yeah? But not right now.
That is very good.